Everyone thinks you need a big marketing budget to build a brand. You need to run ads, you need complex funnels, you need a team of social media managers. Well, I'm here to tell you that's a lie. I'm building my entire brand, the $2 bill brand, with a marketing budget of exactly zero. That's it, $0. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it. This isn't a highlight reel. This is the real in the trenches playbook, what I'm doing right now. We're continuing our series on the O.N.L.Y framework, that's O.N.L.Y, with the most important letter of all, L. Lead with your unique story. Because my story isn't just something I tell, it is my entire marketing strategy. So what does a $0 marketing budget actually look like? Well, it looks like this. Every single day I post. Now, I don't just post platitudes or generic business advice. I post my story. I post my framework. I post my clients' stories. And I lead with the story of my grandmother, Charlotte, and the $2 bill. Right here. Not because it's a cute anecdote, but because it's the operating system for my entire business. It's the filter for everything I do. It's the story that teaches the value of being the only, not the best. It's the story that connects my past as a Hollywood producer to my present as a brand strategist, and it works. Not overnight. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get known for who you are slowly scheme. And let's break down the strategy. I call it story as strategy. Part 1, the daily story. Every day I share a piece of the puzzle. On Monday, it might be about the O.N.L.Y framework. On Tuesday, a client transformation. On Wednesday, my own $2 bill story. Thursday, another client win. Friday, the strategy behind it all. I'm not just shouting into the void. I'm telling a week-long narrative. I'm teaching, I'm entertaining, and I'm being relentlessly authentic. Why? Well, the 2025 social media algorithms don't reward ads anymore. They reward authentic, human-centered content, and they reward consistency. You become authentic, not just by being authentic, but being authentic consistently, day after day. And they also reward engagement, your likes, your shares, all the things that you're doing to support somebody, kind of just throwing stuff out there and being truthful and authentic. Your engagement helps. My posts aren't just posts. They're also conversations. I ask questions, I respond to comments. I'm building a community one person at a time. Part 2, the value-driven CTA. CTA means call to action. Notice I never say hire me. My call to action is always a jab. It's a piece of value. It's always go to findyouronly.app. That's findyouronly.app. Why? I'm not trying to sell you. I'm trying to serve you. That free tool, that O.N.L.Y statement generator, is the first step in my process. It gives you a win for free in under 8 minutes. It shows you that I can help you by actually helping you. And what happens after people get that win? They book a call, right? Some of you have already done that. You went through the app and you're like, wow, this is so much value. I need to talk to Brad. My calendar is filling up with people who have already been indoctrinated into my framework. They already know my story. They already feel a connection. I don't have to sell them on the call. We just have a conversation about how I can help them go deeper. Part 3, the proof is in the people. A $0 marketing budget doesn't mean you don't have social proof. Your clients are the social proof. When I share Paula's story of going from a generic nurturer to a powerful survivor and guide, that's my marketing. When I talk about how Tanisha is now leading with her story as a single mom who built a business from the ground up, that's my marketing. Their wins are my wins. Their stories are my stories. This is the shift. Stop thinking about marketing as something you buy and start thinking about it as something you are. Your story is your ad campaign. Your authenticity is your funnel. Your client's success is your ROI. Now, am I a seven-figure business yet? No. And I want to be radically transparent about that. I'm on the journey right now, the same journey you're on. I'm building this brick by brick, story by story, right here in public with you. And it's working. Took a while. It's working now. The calls are coming in, the community is growing, the momentum is building, all without spending a single dime on ads. Because I'm not trying to be the best brand strategist. I'm positioning myself as the only one who built his entire framework on a lesson from his grandmother and a stack of $2 bills. Now that's a story that no one else can tell. What's your story? What's the strategy you could be using that costs you nothing but courage? If you're ready to find out, I want you to go to findyouronly.app. That's findyouronly.app. Answer the 8 questions, get your free personalized only statement, see the power of this process for yourself, and then book that free 15-minute call with me. Let's talk about how you can stop spending money on marketing that doesn't work and start building a brand that is unforgettable. This call is not going to be free forever, but it is now. So get on the books, because I'm on this journey with you and I want to build this together. Be the only. Be the $2 bill.